Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix a suspended eBay account. If your eBay account just got suspended, don't panic. Today I'll show you how to fix a suspended account and the steps you need to take to get back into action. Now let's dive into these steps together. The first step is to understand why you're suspended. Check the email from eBay. It will say if it's unpaid, fees, verification, policy violation, or selling restrictions. You can do that by going to your email account by clicking on Gmail and look for the email that is linked with your eBay account. Once you find the email, read it carefully and look for the things that caused the restriction. The second step is to take immediate action. Now, if you have an unpaid fees problem, just pay them as soon as possible. Now, if it's a policy violation problem, correct your listing and remove restricted items. Now, if you have an identity check, just upload a valid document like an ID or banking report. This should prove your identity. As for the third step is to appeal the suspension. And you can do that by going to the eBay Help Center, Contact Us and Appeals. Just click on here, go to the supports and click on here and make sure you communicate with them. As for the fourth, politely explain how you fixed the problem and request a reinstatement. And for the fourth and final step, be patient and cooperative. Response usually takes 24 to 72 hours, so avoid being aggressive or opening multiple appeals. It slows the process. And if accepted, you'll be selling again soon. Make sure you read eBay's policies carefully and always keep your email, phone and payment infos updated. And also avoid creating new accounts while suspended. It can result in a lifetime ban. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.